Okay.
There's Elon who's in the same place. Lúc nãy Elon second time it to Elon bắt đầu Elon bridge nó nãy thì Elon để nó chơi lại red wake nó chơi lại Elon follow red cho lúc phải lo bên nó lo chơi Elon tốt cái bài cho lúc bridge
Chị bỏ cái này hay là
Elon to nó đến nó Elon để nó ít to hỏi mình nó nổ
hay luôn á
có hay luôn
để tôi hay luôn
rất hay luôn
cái lông bè này tôi mấy cái lông bè hôi chả
tụ lông bè cô Alexander
nhớ cho nó biết tuổi nó chơi biết ta xí nó chơi có thể nó nói cái mẹ út nè con để mong tốt thay
cô nhớ
tuần nó chơi nó cho khỏi nhớ nó lúc cho tới thời nó lúc chơi nó chơi họ chia lúc chơi nó biết chơi để chỉ tao nè con để mong mồi bỏ đi
thế nhân để okay okay nếu thế nào cái gì mong Alexander gonna stay with your mommy
chơi nó nói mà con để mong nó tới cho Australia cho nó chơi nó biết chơi chơi xưa nè chơi
cái tim không
chỉ dùng nạc con để mong đi
นู้นbây giờ nè tôi chỉ tôi bây giờ lưu rõ chứ bây giờ phụ sẽ tôi bây giờ
phụ sẽ
là bây giờ phun bia
tôi chỉ bảo trong phun bia trong phụ sẽ đây
bây giờ nó chơi nhá để năng ngưng
nó như cái tin năng ngưng nó đời co
bây mà xin chi tao hạt đen á hạt đen chỉ có thay tao cái nó khổ năng cái mùi nó nên thế bỏ chơi hạt đen nhá tao nè trên cái tao mua nuôi chơi nhá tao tụi nó bây giờ nè chỉ tụi chơi tụi nè nó nhớ sổ trong phụ xe thôi họ tụi chỉ chơi cũ chơi nhớ trong phun bia họ tụi cái này tụi nhớ trong cũ tử bây giờ nè chỉ tụi nhớ bây giờ mong bây giờ chỉ khai bao thì trong phụ xe nhớ có từ trong phun bia trong cũ tử nhớ có từ bây giờ khai bao nè chỉ bây là tôi nãy cái giờ mong nó thì cái này bỏ mong Australia đó nên chơi rồi bây giờ mong Australia okay thì là hai lứa đó
nhớ trong đây hả
sao đây là ok hiện tại chơi này nhớ là nó gì là về nữ bây giờ nhớ là
the water is high getting high
it's high tide is it
the water is getting high
Chỉ biết tôi nuôi trên này tôi mới cho nó nè. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is where we're gonna fish for today. Okay, I don't know this place yet, but I will answer all your comment. If you want to know this place, put a comment below, and I'll try to search for the place, and then I will let you guys know. Okay, all I know is this is Logan River. Bring him this way.
Why you have to go? Why you have to go so far, mate? You just sit on the jetty. Like this. I swap you. I swap this with your birthday, but
The flounder? Oh no, brim.
Brim.
no, I like one like that.
Yeah.
Yes, look up hot tackle.
What's it? Hot tackle?
Yeah, hot tackle.
I definitely will.
Let me get the net.
Don't measure and release it.
They release it,
Yeah, get the ruler.
so we're not keeping it.
It's big one. Oh, nó not touch each other.
Cho tụi mình mua mấy bản thân là chuột để cho tụi mình.
Come on, got this. 26 guys. Don't put anything yet.
Hello, dear, too. Me too, plulu, but hello, yeah, too.
Ow!
Oh, sorry, baby.
You gotta make it exciting. You gotta make it
Yeah.
exciting. Is it done? Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Logan River Bream. $26 centimeter. First fish of the day.
How many hours? How
Long,
many hours?
long.
Too long, I don't want to say. So first fish of the day, 26 centimeter. It's gonna go back. Here to go. Yeah, we just come for our YouTube.
That's it. I do yeah.
Oh, wanna go under
Next,
there?
next. I think you.
You're gonna film me too?
Maybe you.
No, it's not that big.
Ah, bream. It's small. Not big.
Small is it?
Yeah. You have bream here.
Maybe about 26.
No more. I think 26. 26 centi.
Oh no!
Oh well, you win some, you lose some. There you go. A beautiful bream, lady and gentlemen, from this lady. She's a champion around here. You just caught that one? Yeah, she just got it up. Okay.
Wait. long.
What about you? Can I put you in my YouTube too?
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Musa.
Musa. And what's your name?
My name is Tina.
Tina. Tina and Musa. The two champion.
Champion.
Yeah.
More champion. You're the winner.
You got one, that's good.
I think it's going to be more because the toys start to come now.
Yeah. They're turning now. Hopefully we catch a shark.
Yeah, would be very nice.
Wow.
7:28.
Yeah, close to, I'll say 27.
It's a baby. Baby, come here.
You want to have a go?
Dad, can I put my drink down first?
Yeah, alright.
Can you watch? But he does this like
The name's off me. Hold it. Baby grandma.
Yep, come.
He wants me to pull it.
Sure, whatever. Put that down. Stay away from the water.
Yeah, I will. No one's gonna see.
Yeah, stay far away from the shore, okay? Okay, here go, a champion.
Oh my God.
The little champion. You caught a bream. Yeah! Yeah! Yep, bring this way. Yeah! Yeah! You like that?
I keep, every single time I fish, I keep catching catfish and brims
Oh, really?
and flatheads.
Really?
Dad, it's a baby brim.
It is a baby bream.
No, it's not a baby. It's a monster. Okay. All right.
No.
What do you say?
Thanks.
Now I gotta wait for you to catch her. Your flathead, so I can take a picture of you.
I'm not gonna catch it yet. My dad's fixing my line.
Yeah, that's all right. Is it all right if I'm putting YouTube on YouTube?
Oh yeah, that's fine, yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna be on YouTube, okay?
She got the crab. You were lucky.
Look at that, getting heaps of fans now, eh?
Okay.
You alright?
Too small.
It bite ya.
Small.
Bro, someone took its claws, man.
15.
Oh.
50.
Yeah, nah, I caught a fish, bro.
15. Eh, 14 and 30.